Hello, it's Eon Rage, and I'm going to be playing a bit of white noise. Um, Bunko. Oh, Stammer. Oh, oh, it's gonna be so scary. I can't even watch it. I'm scared. Sure, you should get it. Find all the tape recorders. Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh my god. I can't look. I'm crying. Oh my god. I just saw him. Ah! He's there. Oh, no. Don't get me. He's there. Fury. It's a green ugly monster. I've been recording for 1 minute 50 seconds from crying. What's this say? I can't even do it. I know. You're scared. You see ghosts on there, it's pretty cool. Ah! No, no, tell me now, please. Yeah. He's looking at me. Oh, yes, I'm listening. I'm scared. I'm going to go near the wall so I don't get raped. It's a green, ugly, like, creeper monster. He's gonna blow me up. I hope it's not a creeper. I have to put my light out. I'm scared. Oh, I don't want to do the reaction that you do. I am really scared. My light. Just keep looking down. Just look down. Don't look up. Are you there? Oh no, it's not him. I haven't found any tapes yet, and I'm like uneasy. So many tapes. Ah! Oh no! He's coming to eat me. He's still there. He's coming towards me. I'm really scared. Where are you going? Make sure you come back really quickly. Okay, goodbye. Here we are, guys. White noise. I am shitting myself really badly. My reactions. Oh. Don't worry, guys. I'll play again. I'll play again. It's a new trial game. Hi, guys. Play again. Okay, just play. I want to be a girl. What? What I'm feeling at the moment. Let's find these tapes. I'm shitting a brick here. Oh shit, I've let myself into a cave. I'm not going to that cave, guys. Run. Come on, fat girl, run. I'm running with the light off, don't worry. You're watching this, guys. I'm pretty much shitting myself. Here we go. Run it. Just sleep. What was that? What the fuck was that? I look down and there'd be like a monster there. I'm fucking scared right now, okay? I am shitting myself so much I can't even bear to stand up. Ah! Oh my god. He's just standing still. My god! Oh my god. Just stay there, don't move. Just stay there till it expires. Stay there until it expires. Oh my god. Uh... Fuck! It's still there. I can't look. Keep walking. It's getting closer. Oh my god, I can't look. I can't look. I can't look. Oh my god, look. I'm forcing myself to look. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't look. I can't look. Oh my god. I'm playing one-handed. As you see, I am playing one-handed. I can't even look. Oh my god. I don't know. Just end it. Just end it. Just end it, man. Oh my god. I am shitting myself. So bad. I have to end it here for part 1 again. See you at part 2.